HVAC people!
All right, so we got a no cooling call on the downstairs unit. I'm gonna do a maintenance also, but I stuck my head in the attic and the emergency drain pan is filled with water, so I'm gonna get my vacuum in and get it all out of there. All right, as you can see, drain pan is filled up with water pretty bad. It's a nice sized drain pan. It can easily be about 10 gallons of water. And I'm just looking at this primary. It's completely dry. Maybe a little damp. But I wonder why it's not even draining out of here either. So I'm gonna get my it looks like it goes around through there. I'm gonna get my nitrogen. See if I can flush this out instead of trying to carry all that water out of here. See if I can flush that emergency drain pan and see if it drains itself. Alright, so it looked like it's draining now. I gotta run outside because I look up under the laboratory and the sinks. I do not see where the primary coming out at or the and they've been doing some renovation on the outside. I got a suspicion that maybe a drain line covered or something. I don't know. I need to find out where these things going out. I want to find the end of this primary and the secondary and see where the water should be coming out at. All right, so I see where it's draining at. These are the we got two units up here. One, just the primary going here, but I hear the secondary going out this little vent thing right over here. So these are the two. So I think this is mine right here. See, it needs to be. I think somebody got covered up. Try to get this one up under here. So it's draining now. So I'm gonna try to take a picture. trying to get my phone out of here. But we still got to figure out why the primary not draining. But I can tell they put a piece of siding covering that hole up. Alright, so it's draining now. So I think the end of that pipe was just going uphill where they kind of pushed it back into the house. And I can hear the unit. Sound like it cut back on. So I'm gonna let that drain out. And I'm going to show you on the outside real quick where they put the new siding on. All right, so if there are any homeowners out there or any technician that can explain to the homeowner the importance of having one of these emergency drain pan switches or flow switches, because I hear a lot of homeowners tell me that they got the emergency drain line piped also so it can flow, you know, outside the house. But I always try to tell you that it's similar in this case right here. If that emergency drain pan drain line gets stopped up, the water is just going to fill up, and it has no other place to go but on your ceiling if your unit's in the attic, like most of our houses are in my area. So that flow switch saved this ceiling because the unit would have just kept running, and this like I say, probably about 10 gallons of water in this pan. But like I say, please get some type of emergency safety device to shut the unit off if this happens. But I'm going to try to help. I got it flowing now. I'm gonna use my vacuum because I'm also scared that this kind of, I don't know what kind of newspaper or some type of insulation that they use up here, and it gets into the pan, so I want to try to get some of that debris out also. I need to let them know this thing broke and have them replaced. Alright, so I just poured water right inside this drain pan. This thing not draining at all. Not draining at all. Alright. So when I see stuff like this though, all this coupling, been some ongoing problems with this drain line. I'm gonna add another coupling and see my water done drained out, but let's see if I can vacuum this line out. I'm gonna tell the homeowner if it does it again, I'm just gonna recommend it. I come and repipe this whole drain line. Repipe the whole thing. So I'll bring some more water up. I'm gonna bring some more water up and see if how far does it get. Is it gonna drain out right here, or is it clogged up back there somewhere? Alright, let's see what it do. Okay. Look. See it overflowing like that? So it gotta be stopped up in that trap somewhere. I think so. trap stopped up. Yeah, something definitely was in that trap. I heard it. I'm gonna go get some more water. Pour it in there. Time being, I'm gonna suck this in out too. Alright, so we pour some more in this pan. See if it. See a nice little flow there. Yeah, it all go out of there. The trap should fill up, but got a nice little flow now. Alright. So I think whatever was in there, we got it out of there. So I'm gonna run the vacuum a couple more times, and then I'm put a coupling on here, glue it up, and fill this back up with water. Stuff gets everywhere. Gotta get some more batteries. Stuff gets everywhere. Gotta show it to every customer.
With Active Pure, you can eliminate these and other harmful contaminants in the air and surfaces in your home or office.
It's pretty cool.
Active Pure goes beyond traditional air purification systems and is the only air cleaning technology awarded the prestigious Certified Space Technology.
Alright, so I'm kind of show you what's going on. That the secondary drain line bumping right into that gutter. This is an old house, and they added these gutters. But when they added it, they covered my drain line up. So I'm giving homeowners some options.
Okay, I'll step on. I need to put my son to bed. So
Okay. All right.
once you have the photos, then I'll,
Yep.
if you just let me know, and then I'll, the movie with the rest.
Okay, that'll work. All right. All right. So see what happened? These are my my secondary drain lines, and when they came, I think they put the gutter on here, and it was probably sticking out, and that drain line popped back into the building, and it wouldn't allow the condensation to drain out. So it kind of like two problems in one. Primary was stopped up, and the secondary had nowhere to go. So I'm giving the homeowner some options. I told her she can contact the gutter people and maybe they can do something, because they the one that covered it up. But I honestly don't see nowhere else this gutter can go. They're not gonna be able to raise or lift it. So I told her that I can quote her on, I had to drill through this concrete. I don't think it'll mess up the foundation or nothing. This right here is a vent pipe. I don't know what this is, but I probably need even cover it over this pipe, but I can just drill me another hole and run that drain line out of there. Or the reason I started the video on this side of the house, because I can run drain line all the way out here. Hopefully it'll be going down here, but and see what I can exterminate out of there. But I wouldn't really want to do that, because especially this white building, this white paint, drain pan, get rust out of the dirt, debris get in there, it's gonna stain the wall. So this is probably gonna be the best place to expire out of. But like I say, she said she's gonna contact the gutter people and see what they say. But I don't think they're gonna be able to move this gutter anywhere else. Just unfortunate that it is right on my drain line. I guess y'all can see that, but that is that little black pipe that was coming out of the wall. But y'all leave a comment and maybe leave me some suggestion of what y'all would do, or what would y'all recommend in this situation right here. I appreciate it. Thank you. All right, so this what I come up. So I finished the maintenance also on the upstairs and the downstairs unit. It's just a maintenance and inspection. But what I wrote up on the that drain situation is downstairs unit had clogged primary drain line. Emergency drain line pushed out of exterior clearance by gutter, preventing secondary drain line from draining. This opened the overflow safety device and shut the unit off. I pushed the secondary drain line out to clearance as far as I could for a temporary fix. Either the gutter will need to be moved or the drain line will need to be rerouted. I will send a quote to reroute the secondary drain line. So I mean, I think that's pretty much all I can do. So I'm gonna send them a quote. I'm gonna charge them for the maintenance and add a couple dollars, you know, clearing that drain pan, because like I said, they needed a maintenance. They do a maintenance once a year, but the reason for the call was because the downstairs unit wasn't cooling. So